Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to make or decorate your own bauble. I'm doing this for my best friend's baby because it's her first Christmas and I was asked to do so. So I make these and sell them anyway, but I thought I'd share them with you so you can make one too. So let's begin. So normally I just make mine from plastic ones, but I want to make it a bit more special because after all Aurelia is my best friend's baby and I think she is absolutely adorable. So you need to get just like the glass baubles like this. I got mine from eBay, pack of 10 for £10. And this one's just kind of got like the rainbow holographicness to it. And what you need to do is you need to pinch the top and take this out. So you've got the top and that. You can leave the top to one side for now, and then you can leave this to one side. And you need to get some wire. I'm just gonna get the right stuff, so hang on. This is really thin silver wire, and you just want to cut a length off the amount you want. Obviously my baubles are quite small, so I don't want that much, so I'm just going to cut off a little bit, and that is what I've got to play with. And then I'm going to get my beads out, which I've got here. Hang on 1 minute. I'm doing it as a silver theme. There's beads in here as well though, so I've got quite a few silver ones in here. So yeah, I've got silver in there, and I've got my whole tub of beads here, and I'm going for silver. My niece and nephew raid this pot every time they come round, and they've left me with one of these. Thank you. So yeah, I've got some in here, I've got some silver in here, and I'm going to just use this wire. So with the end, one end, and my rounded tweezers, pliers even, I'm just going to loop the end round so they don't come off. I'm actually looping it twice because it's just pretty. And then with my flat ones, I'm going to squidge it. So it's just like that. This is probably going to be miles too long, but I just fill it with silver beads basically, or whatever colour you want. I just think the silver will shine nicely with the what's it called, the holographic and everything else. Okay, so I've done quite a bit, and you now need to feed this into your bauble. I've got a long bit here on the end because I don't want to let go of that, because you want that outside basically to keep it in place. So I'm just feeding this into the bauble now. Okay, so it's just going to show up my ring light, but you can see all of the beads in there. I could probably go like one more, and then that one more pattern worth, and it would be enough. So I'm going to just do one more pattern worth now, but I'm keeping it in the bauble whilst I do it. Okay, so now I'm just going to feed that in, and that's going to stop like there and look like that. It's just going to glow really nicely with the light in it. You could do whatever pattern you wanted in it. If you wanted to make it swirly, you could obviously take this out. It's just going to be harder to get in the bauble. And you still want the edge out, then keep hold of your edge there and get the top of your bauble again. Keep it so it's locked so that the wire doesn't go out. Okay, so fold your wire on the bauble in, or out, however you want to say it, down, and then you want to push that in and let that out. Then you'll have your bauble like so, and you just want to clip this bit of wire so it's not visible. Like that. Now, because this is for a little girl, I'm still thinking silver, but I'm gonna do it in pink, and I'm gonna write her name on it in pen, or ink paint shall I say. So these are the matte glass paints I use for any kind of glass, china, you name it, and they're Viva Decor ones. And I've got cotton wool bud, and that is how I'm going to write her name. Though this one's like paint, this one's not, so I do feel silver is a bit better, but I'm going to go for it in pink so it stands out more. And also you can wipe this away for a bit. So I'm just literally squidging a bit out onto the lid and then putting it on here, and then I'm just going to paint Aurelia. Which just isn't bright enough. Yeah, that's not gonna work in the pink because it's just not coming out, it's not bright enough. It's not forming well. So right, I've took that off. I'm gonna use the silver one. This one hasn't got any marking like thing on it, but it is the same paint. If you can find these, you can get these in like the squeezable lids too, so if you can do that you can, but this is how I'm gonna write Aurelia on here with this because it's easier to write with. So let's put that down. Her name's really long so you can't really see it, but you can see it on the Aurelia. And that is her Christmas, bauble ready to go. And it's really pretty actually. I like the silvery, well you could put any colour beads in, but I like how that stands out. And I really like the Aurelia on it because I just do it in my free hand, and I just like my free hand how it looks. But yeah, that is it. So that is it for today's Vlogmas. Please let me know in the comments down below if you have or will make your own baubles, and if so, what would you put in them, how would you do it? I think you can make so many with this. You can put absolutely anything in it. Maybe I'll do a few more, I'm not sure yet. So please also give this video a thumbs up, and please also subscribe, push that notification bell to see when I post, and thanks for watching. Bye.